Good morning children. Today we are going to learn third exercise. That is first two bits related to decimals and rational numbers. Now some main points. Express rational number in decimal form. How to convert rational number to decimal form. Now what is the rational number? 16 by 5. We have to divide 16 with 5, you will get 3.2. Then what is the decimal form of 16 by 5? 3.2. Second one, express decimal form in rational number. Then suppose 1.52. How to change it to rational number? That means P by Q form. Now 152 by 100. Then 1.52 means 152 by 100. Then which table goes? 4 table goes, and 4 in 152 38 times goes, and in 100 25 times. Then 38 by 25. Then what is the decimal form? 1.52. What is the decimal form in rational number? 38 by 25. Next, non-terminating, recurring or non-terminating repeating decimal. What is the meaning of non-terminating? Non-terminating means remainder won't get as 0. Always it should something left in the remainder. Then recurring means repeating. Remainder should be repeating and digit in the decimal form also repeating. That is called recurring. Now non-terminating recurring or non-terminating repeating decimal means the remainder won't get 0, and that is the first point. Second point, the remainder and digits in the decimal form will be repeated. Example, 5 by 3. Then 3 how many times goes in 5? 1 time. Then 2 remainder. Then if you put, you can get it will become a 20 remainder. Now 3 6 are 18. Again 2. Once if you put the point, then you can add 1 0 to remainder. Then 20. Again 6 are 18. Again 20. Again 20. Here the remainder is repeating 20 20 20. Then in the divisor, the digit 6 is repeating. That is called repeating. Non-terminating means something left in the remainder. You won't get 0 in the remainder. Here remainder always you will get 20. That is the non-terminating. And repeated remainder and repeated digit in the decimal form, that is called non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. Now 3 types. One is rational to decimal, decimal to rational, and non-terminating recurring decimal. With the help of these points, we have to do the 1.3 exercise. Now first bit, express 25.125 in P by Q form. What is the P by Q form? That is a rational form. Now 25.125, after point, how many decimal places are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. Then you have to divide with 1000. Then 25,125 by 1000. Then if you cancel it, simplify, you will get 201 by 8. It is in the form of rational number. P by Q form, then we called it is a rational number. Now express 25.125 in P by Q form means decimal form to rational form. Then how many places after point is there? 3 places. Then you have to put 1000. Then 25,125 by 1000. Then after cancellation, simplification, you will get 201 by 8. 25 table and 5 table. Then 201 by 8. It is a rational number. Now second bit, express 0.729 bar in the rational form P by Q. Here 0.729 bar. The bar is on only 2 and 9. Then we have to write 7 as it is, and 2 9 repeated means 0.7 29 29 29 29. Compulsory, when you will remove bar, you have to write continuation symbol compulsory. Now 0.7 29 29 29. Here how many places that bar is there? 2 places. For 2 places bar is there. Then periodicity is 2. What is that number repeated? 29, then that is called period. The number which is repeated in the decimal form, a decimal fraction, that is called period. Here which digits are repeating? 29 digits are repeating, then that is called a period. Then how many digits are repeating? 2 digits, then that is called a periodicity. Then how many digits? 2, then periodicity is 2. Now first we have to assume x is equal to 0.7292929 continuation. Now multiply both sides by 100. Why we have to multiply with 100? Here periodicity is 2. Suppose 3 means 1000. Periodicity 1 means 10. 4 means 10,000, like that. Now multiply both sides by 100 means periodicity is 2. That's why we have to multiply both sides with 100. Then 100x is equal to 0.72929 continuation. Now when you multiply, the decimal point will move to right side. How many places? 2 places. Then 100x is equal to 72.92929 continuation. Now we have to subtract x from 100x. Now 100x is equal to 72.92929. Then x is equal to 0.72929. Then how much we will get? 99x is equal to 72.2. X is equal to 72.2 by 99. Here in this also again decimal form is there. Then we have to change it to whole number part, means we have to multiply with 10 and divide with 10. Now 722 by 990. Then simplification, 2 table, 361 by 495. Therefore 0.729 bar is equal to 361 by 495. Then what is period? What is periodicity? How many digits in that repeated number, that is periodicity. Now here 2 digits are repeating, then we call periodicity is 2. Then which number is repeating here? 29. That is called a period. As per periodicity, we have to multiply with the x and x value. Suppose periodicity 2 is, you have to multiply with 100. Suppose 3 means 1000, 1 means 10. Now here 0.729 bar. Then period is 29, periodicity is 2. Then we have to multiply both sides with 100. Then after subtraction, you will get again in the decimal form. You have to change it to whole number. Then we have to multiply and divide with 10. Then 722 by 990 is equal to, after simplification, 361 by 495. Therefore 0.729 bar, what is the answer? What is the rational form? 361 by 495.